Start. The state government thereafter issued the government order dated 6/9/2006, which relates to all the animal slaughter houses owned by urban local bodies in the state of UP by the said government. Order license was to be granted for a minimum period of 5 years and maximum period of 10 years. Certain other conditions relating to transparency in granting the license by public auction as well as obtaining the mandatory permission from the State Pollution Control Board had also been mentioned. The said policy decision was later amended by the state government to the extent that the term of license mentioned in the said government order would be amended as minimum period of 5 years and maximum period of 20 years. The other terms of the said government order were remain the same. By another notification dated 29/9/2009, the constitution of bid evaluation committee was notified in terms of the said government order, which consisted of the infrastructure and industrial development commissioner as chairman and 6 other members. It may be relevant to mention here that during the intervening period, a contempt petition was filed before the Apex Court for implementation of its directions issued in the judgment and order dated 7/12/2006. In the said proceedings, the Principal Secretary of the Government of UP submitted a proposal of modern slaughter house as also the status report was placed by the Nagar Nigam Mirut before the Supreme Court, mentioning that land has been acquired for establishment of a modern slaughter house. After considering the report of the Nagar Nigam Mirut as well as affidavit of the Principal Secretary, the contempt notice was discharged on 23/10/2009 para in compliance of the directions of the Apex Court for construction of modern slaughter house as well as the policy decision taken by the state government. An expert consultant firm was appointed for making the complete project report of slaughter house in district Mirut. On 11/1/2010, further decision was taken by the state government to the effect that the board of the Nagar Nigam Mirut shall pass resolution for the construction of modern slaughter house, which should be strictly in accordance with the UP Municipal Corporation Act, and the same was to be informed to the cabinet of ministers of the state government and after the approval by the cabinet. The Nagar Nigam was to publish the advertisement for request for qualification and request for proposal. After completing the formalities and having appointed the expert consultant and getting its report, the Nagar Nigam Mirut published an advertisement notice on 1/7/2010 inviting tenders of request for qualification for establishment of a new modern slaughter house in district Mirut. In the said advertisement, the estimated cost of the project was shown as rupees 100 crore and the project was to be implemented within 24 months. The pre-application conference was to take place on 6/7/2010 and the last date of application was 13/7/2010 at the office of Municipal Commissioner Mirut. In response to the same, 3 applications were received which included the petitioner. Over.